Hey cutie pie, welcome back to your girl Brittany with BB's Crafts, and I have a cute little tutorial for you using the Kawaii Crush by Decorate Your Life. Look at their super cute papers, oh my gosh. But Mother's Day is coming up, and plus, we just like gifting things to people. So this is really simple, super cute and adorable, and you can utilize it in many different ways and styling it up and all that fun jazz. So go ahead and get your supplies. We are going to go ahead and work on this together. So let's go. First, we're going to start by cutting our 8.5 by 11 piece cardstock. We're going to cut it down to 8 by 9, but keep that 1/2 inch strip that you cut at first because we're going to use that for our project. Now you're going to take your cardstock and you're going to score it at 3 inches on all 4 sides. Now my pattern paper is already 8.5 by 11, so if you are using a 12 by 12, cut it down to that size. And then on the 11-inch side, you're going to score it at 5.5. And then when you flip it over to the 8.5-inch side, you're going to score it at every 1/2 inch. You will need 2 of these, so make sure you repeat the same process. Now we're going to fold and burnish over at 5.5-inch score line that we did, and we're going to keep it folded in half. And what you're going to do is you're going to line it up on your scoreboard with your non-folded side. So the part where it opens up, that's going to be to the right, as you can see, and you are going to hit from corner to corner. So that top left corner all the way down to the bottom right corner. Now if you want to take your ruler and make a line to do this to help you out a little bit better, go right ahead. But otherwise, if you think you are profesh, go ahead and go for it. And you're going to do this to both of your pattern papers. Now I'm going to add some score tape just on that bottom right side, or you can do left, you don't have to be choosy, but just want to do it on that bottom, on the bottom line. And then we are going to accordion fold, so hill valley fold all the way to the top, and you're going to do this to both of them. Now after that's completed, you're going to remove that score tape. I always like to add some glue because glue dries and tape doesn't. And then you are going to put those ends together and then manipulating it as you are putting it together. So in that way you can kind of keep it from like warping and having that weird little fold that it has. So go ahead and get it all nice and smoothed out. Now back to our box itself, we're going to go ahead and fold up on those score lines, and then you are going to take your scissors. Now the big box, all four corners have the big squares, but you want to look at it as the more narrow side is going horizontal, so you have all three big squares pointing towards you, and then you are going to go ahead and cut your tabs. I always like to cut mine are off the corners, so then it doesn't like overlap and show that nasty little overlap thing when you go ahead and mac on there. But go ahead, cut up to your score lines to release your flaps on both sides. So you want to cut your paper as the way that I told you, because you want your flaps to overlap onto the larger side of the box, because the other side is only 2 inches and these flaps are 3. And then you're going to go ahead and apply your adhesive and mat your sides. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to poke holes on either sides, because I'm going to take that 1/2 inch that it cut from the very beginning. We're going to have that be our handle, and I'm going to use brads to make sure that the handle has the ability to move. Now you don't have to, but that's just what I wanted to do with mine. Now you have that portion complete. You're going to grab your hot glue gun and you're going to apply glue to like about halfway to the bottom of your little fan, and then apply it onto your box and put it all together. So you have this cute little thing, and that's why I say you can utilize this in different ways, because it does give that little mermaid vibe feel as well. But I just thought it was something fun and cute. So this is what you have at the moment, and then you go to the fun part and you start decorating it, and it'll turn into something a little bit like this. So to each their own, decorate it to whatever makes you happy. This is quick, this is very easy, and you can kill your paper stash doing this as well. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like the video, make sure you share, comment, and all that other fun jazz. And until next time, make sure you show me if you made yours, tag me on Instagram. Until next time, guys, bye.